won. How the fuck am I complaining I'm winning? Evidently, what am I complaining about I'm winning about? Then shut the fuck up.
Yeah, bitch, I'm with the gang. Yeah, my chopper sing. Yeah,
That nigga right head forces it.
Your ass, you got a fucking nade in your fucking gun. You're a fucking mad at this camper. Your mom was a straight bitch.
Hostile mortar strike in the area.
Y'all boys gonna start camping and y'all gonna play like men. What you say, little dude? Y'all dudes scary, man. I got something for you.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up!
I'm about to make it Easter time. And he got sprayed up.
They got your ass on camera.
Niggas ain't got me on no fucking camera.
This is the clearest video I've ever seen. This is the most HD shit ever. This is 4K. How did they get you in 4K?
That ain't me.
Why did you do that? Why would you look? Nigga, you got the same fit on.
Well, fuck you, T-Bag was here before the fucking KV.
That nigga ran head first into it, bro. Man, that shit crazy.
Yeah, keep that fucking light off.
Dude, you camping like a bitch and you still died. Stop camping, dude. All y'all niggas sitting around camping, sitting on y'all ass, bro. Like, dude, y'all just make the game look a lot more sad, dude. Like, nigga, you be like, oh man, these niggas dying. But y'all niggas playing sad. Like, for real, my guy. This shit is not that hard. I'm right on his ass. I'm just trying to goddamn play y'all niggas. Trying to pick y'all niggas in other way. I'm saying, not really trying to play y'all, I'm trying to pick y'all.
Mission failed. Return to base.
I won. How the fuck am I complaining I'm winning? Evidently, what am I complaining about I'm winning about? Then shut the fuck up. Bitch ass nigga, that's how you make sense.
Class, baby.
Big time speeding, got hun on the dash. Talking shit, boy, you drink out of flask. Robbing banks, I don't need no mask. In the race, and you in last. Holy spade, he in the past. Posted up, smoking on that gas. Fuck bottle, sipping out of a glass. On this beat, yeah, it's new jazz. In the house, smoking on that weed. Boy, shut up.